Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here again with another look. Why not? So yeah, so today I think I'm gonna do something simple. I always say that and it doesn't work out that way, but yeah, I think I'm gonna do something simple, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna go into this palette right here. This is Dark Edit from Viseart or Viseart. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. This really dark shade, but it's a little me though. Let's clean her up. Oops, and then making a mess. Yeah, and let's go to top. I'm gonna put this all over my lid and we'll take it from there. Oh, and this is on a E13 brush. Just putting it all over. I like to just stamp it, because when you do that you get the most pigmentation. And then when I get to the edge, I just do like I hold my brush all the way to the end, and then I do a little blendy right here. So the further away you hold the brush, the kind of a lighter blend you get, or fluffier blend, if that makes sense. But before that, we just stamping. Then we hold it to the edge and we blend, or we hold it to the end and we blend the edges. I know this just looks like a whole big blob, but don't let it freak you out. This is a T83 and we're gonna go into this shade right here, that purpley shade that's right next to it, and I'm gonna put that on the edge. Stamp and stamp, and then blend. I need to wash my brushes. Like I need to wash them. I keep saying that and I'm not washing them. And I'm running out of brushes. Ooh, an M518 from Morphe. So I need something light here, and I don't have anything light in this palette. So let's go to this. This is Half Caked Snack Pack 9 pigment palette from Half Caked, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Wild Berry, and same thing, I'm gonna just stamp it like right here. So this is hella pigment here. I did not think this was gonna end up being so dark. I wanted this mirror. Let's go back to that really dark shade. And then back to that purple. And then back to that really light. Oops. Oh god. I just dropped a shade and I don't know why I dropped it. Why did it fall? Okay, that's fine. Oh, it's right there. Cause I was like, this did not fall anywhere. So where did it go? I feel like this is really dark. to give it a little bit of, you know, like glitter or something. There, let's see. Let's do that. And just make it like cute. This is what? T9. And then we're gonna go into this shade right here. Right here. It's pretty. Oh my god, this look is like taking forever. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Eyes are done, lashes are massive, but you know, we're just gonna keep it moving. Keep it moving. So for my foundation today, I'm gonna use my Revolution Conceal and Define Full Foundation. Oh, but this looks a little bit dark, but it's just a smidge dark. I think I have another shade though. I do have another shade, 12, because I was 12.5. See, like maybe 12 is my shade. No, 12 looks light. I'm just gonna put like a little bit, so you just kind of mix it a little bit, so it's not so dark. And let's go to tongue and blend. I'm gonna use my 732 brush from Luxie. See, it's wild because like 12.5 looks really dark for me, but then 12 is too light. So do I need like 12 and a quarter? So I have to buy 2 shades, which I don't mind buying. However, for some people I know it's annoying, you know, that you have to buy 2 shades to make your shade, but you know, their eyeshadow terrible, but their foundation is actually pretty good. So I'm gonna use my ABH concealer. I actually really like this concealer. I already used it like a couple of times, but I love it. I can tell literally from the first time I use the concealer if I'm gonna like it or not. I can usually tell pretty early if I'm gonna like it or not. I actually bought 2 concealers recently, one from not Jeffree Star, Patrick Star. Oh my god.
Okay, what I think she's trying to say is, oh hell no.
And the ABH one, and they're both amazing. So if you can get your hands on them, get them. They're really good. They do dry pretty fast, both of them, so you kind of have to just blend as soon as you put it down. But apart from that, like they're flawless. So I think I have some competition for my Jeffree Star concealer that I really like. These I can walk into the store and get it, and these I have to order it. I used to be able to just get it from Morphe, but you know, like if I ever want something, the store or the option where it's sold in store is gonna get my sale sooner than the one that's after order, because I hate waiting. Hate waiting. Where did I put my contour blush? Oops. Not on the nose. I contour my nose sometimes, not very often, because I like the shape of my nose as is, you know. So rarely that I contour my nose. Let's go ahead with that powder again by Makeup by Orlando. Oh my god. I'm just gonna keep using it till I'm done with it, and then I'm not gonna repurchase it. It's not the powder for me, unfortunately. And that's fine if you have it and you love it. You know, that's why it's makeup. It's not gonna work for everybody. And that's okay. I really, really love her eyeshadows. I love her base. I just tried a highlighter from her. I really, really like it. But I just can't get myself to like this. I have it. I'm using it. Don't love it. I don't love it. Don't love it. Here's my prime. This powder goes like everywhere though. So fine. And I'm wearing this white top. And I'm using this chunky pencil from Crown. I just like to use either a pencil brush or an eyeliner brush. This is a number 28 brush from Stila. I'm going to that first purple. And let's go to the other purple. And I'm gonna use this brush to kind of dust this out, so that you get a little bit of fallout. It's like that powder looks like a white cast, like right here. For my waterline, I'm gonna use Deep End from Urban Decay. Let's use this powder from Prime Beauty. Is this from Golden Guy? I don't know. Yeah, that should be able to bronze me, maybe. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe I need something a little bit darker. Cause this one is what? This one is Golden Gal. And this one is Bronze Babe, so maybe Bronze Babe. Let's give Bronze Babe a whirl and see what happens. And I'm just blending it to get it not so dark. That's usually what happens. Like sometimes you're gonna, you know, put something on and it's gonna look hella dark, or you know, it's not blending. You just have to blend. You know, just blend and blend and blend till you can't blend no more. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of this, not on this sponge. So we're gonna go in. Let's do B. That's actually my sister's nickname that my hubs call her, B. So yeah, so let's use B. This is a blusher from Luxie. Was it a 742? But I'm gonna use it for a highlight. And I'm gonna use that highlighter from Makeup by Orlando. Oh my god, that brush just fixed up like a ton. Like this is so like pigmented. I'm just using like on the cup. This is what? This is Very Berry from Huda Beauty. I'm gonna use that to line my lip. This is a lip gloss from Persona. It's vegan. It's called Toffee. Let's go ahead and use that. Looks like so. I like the smell. It smells good. It smells like toffee. Ooh, let's dust off that powder. I'm almost done actually. Let me put some earrings on. Okay, yeah, so that's it guys for this video. Oh my god, I had so much fun, you know, just creating this nice simple purple look, and just, you know, always top it up with some, like, you know, humongous lashes and you're good to go, right? So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.